Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Tab S10 Lite, and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section now we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the option General Management. Let's tap on it. Right here we have to go to Languages, which are at the very top, and here tap on Add a Language. And now we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So basically all you have to do is to find the language which you'd like to apply and tap on it. So I'll pick Polish. Choose the region if you can, and now your device will ask you if you want to set the new language as a default one. So I will set as default. I will tap on Set as Default, and now from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. As you can see, it will also appear on the top of the list. If you've got more than one language is added here, so as in my case Polish and English, just tap on the specific language to apply it and tap on Apply. And just a second, and now we've got English set. If you wish, you can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on Edit, mark the language which you wish to remove, and then tap on Delete. Tap on Remove, and we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.